1/3 of the drinking water worldwide is lost before it reaches the consumers. That is around 40 billion a year of lost water, what we call non-revenue water. DL Metering is producing smart meters as well as radio network technology, and we combine this to a smart infrastructure for utilities and for cities. And these smart water meters are the nerves of a city. We can observe in seconds the first small damages of a water grid. And this will help to avoid disasters.
Water mains don't just break on a weekend, they actually break on a Monday at peak times, and that's not when we need the traffic to be happening. Mainly what we want to do is make sure our solutions are customizable, so the relevant information is provided to each the traveller and the agencies so that they know what to do most effectively.
The critical factor when solving problems like a broken water main is really how we enable people to collaborate and communicate together. City functions like water control, power control, crisis manager, traffic management and fire brigade all need to collaborate and have the same information available all the time. And this is really one of the areas where ABB can show how the cloud integration works in practice.
A water main could break because it's old. It can also break because of nefarious activity. Now you just need to figure out how to disseminate that to the individuals who need to work in an easy and secure manner. Public safety agencies need to understand what happened, how to respond, and whether or not it requires further investigation. And in the case of a water main break, we're doing that with clearance in the Microsoft Government Cloud.
In order to make the city smart, we use a digital twinning concept, a digital twinning technology to help provide a data model behind the city that allows them to digitize the planning based on reality and in the context of what is already out there. The example of the water main break would require us to calculate flooding models dependent on the heights of the city. And so we have the analysis tools based on this digital content to help the user create a resilient city.